Now the thermometer is used to measure the temperature. Now this thermometer shows a room temperature and the value is over here, and the room temperature is 27 degrees centigrade, and so at 27 degrees centigrade the resistance of the thermistor will find out. The length, balancing length will be 47, which we have already recorded. Now what I am going to do is I will put this thermistor in a hot water bath. So now this thermistor is in a hot water bath and its respective temperature will going to increase now, and we will take readings for each 5-degree difference and we'll find out the balancing length. This is how the chart is there. So what you have to measure is now readings which are cooling readings. Will allow this thermistor to attain that much temperature, that is of hot water. We'll see how much it rises, that mercury in the thermometer, and once we get the maximum temperature we'll start our taking out the observations. So for that purpose our temperature T will be suppose 75 degree centigrade, and we'll find out the balancing length for 75 degree, same as we have find out the balancing length for 27 degree centigrade, that is room temperature, which comes out to be 47. Every time we are going to find out the null point. Now what happens here is the deflection as per the temperature of the thermistor. Deflection will going to change and the null point will also shifted depending on the temperature now, and so 75, 70, 60, 65 and so on, like this we're going to note down the particular balancing length over here in this column. So this is how we have to perform the experiment. For example, now the temperature over here is above 40, say 45 degrees, and for 45 degrees I will show you how the balancing length is changing. So when I put jockey on this, the galvanometer is showing deflection and I am getting null point. See, I am sliding the jockey and I will get the null point at, okay, now this is the null point. Galvanometer is showing little bit. Okay, now this is exactly the null point, and for that null point the balancing length which I am getting is 20. So initially it was at room temperature it was 47 and now it is 20. So this is how we are going to find out the null point for every temperature difference of 5 degrees. We'll allow this to rise now. Now the temperature is above 60, above 50, it is 55. This temperature is 55. And what we will do is